lovely people, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing fall inspired colors. I'm using Beetle's Autumn Leaves gel polish. I'm going to be using like orange or like a maroon or something like that. So I'll just start off with prepping my nails as I always do. I'm cleaning up my edges, my nail edge, the nail bed, all that stuff. This video took a long time for me to put out. I had been done this, but it took so long because I was trying to do the new ombre viral nail hack. You know, that nail ombre illusion thing. It took forever for me to edit it and to get it down packed because this video was just all over the place. But now I finally got it out, and now finally you can see it. So I'm just buffing out the surface of my nail. You know, you got to make sure you get that nail prep right so them nails stay on. I will be applying my nails with the foundation, the Beetle's foundation, aka base coat. Right here, I'm buffing out the nail tips so they adhere better to my real nail. So I apply my nail tips on with my base coat. They stick real nice. They stay on long. I don't have no problems with it. So now I'm just going to blend in the nail tip with my natural nail. I'm actually using the wrong drill. I should have been using the more finer grit one. This one is a little bit too harsh. But I did it anyways. And then I'm actually going to put polygel on my nails. This video isn't really for the polygel application, but I just want to show you anyways. This is mainly me trying to do that ombre nail hack that everyone's doing that looks so cute. So as you can see in this video, I learned to use way less polygel. When I first started using the polygel, I used to use way too much, thinking that the nail had to be so thick, but it really doesn't. It just makes you waste your nail files and make you spend way too much time filing. This polygel is so easy to use. I really love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. Oh, also polygel really has to do with the temperature of your house. So my house was really warm. So maybe that's why the polygel was able to like mold around, move around and all that stuff real easily. Because when it's colder, it is harder to use. Oh, the nail tips I'm using, I got these from Amazon. They are the no C curve nail tips, and they are absolutely my favorite nail tip so far. I love the flatness of it. They're so easy to, do your daily household duties and all that stuff and whatever you got to do. I like it. They really don't get in the way. They're beautiful, flat. I think they're nice. I'm really liking the style. I've gotten so much better at applying polygel, a little faster. I'm still not perfect, but I'm just saying that I'm better than how I was when I first started, and I am proud of myself. So here guys, I'm just sealing in my cuticles and everything so there will be no lifting, and I can reuse these nails because I did reuse these nails. I cut them and I made a orange glitter and a orange silver glitter set. So I was able to use these nails for about 2.5 weeks. So make sure you seal in that nail with your real nail. Make sure you seal it. You have to seal it so there will be no lifting and your nails will last you. And make sure you put on primer and there's no greasiness or anything before you apply your polygel or your acrylic. So I'm just filing and buffing my nails out to get them right for the polish in this design that I've been trying to do. Also guys, thank y'all so much for 500 subscribers. I'm so happy. I didn't think I would make it to 500. I just thought that I would just be doing this as a little diary to myself, I guess, a nail diary to show myself and others my progress. But I never really thought that people would be subscribing to me. So I thank you so much for that, every single person that subscribed. I really thank you so much. I know I need to start uploading more. I have nail videos just sitting there that I don't know, I just didn't have the energy or the motivation to edit them and put them out. But I know I need to because I'm just being silly, just letting it sit on my phone, I got to get them videos out and stop being lazy, or I just feel discouraged sometimes. But I know I just got to get the videos out and do it. And if you feel like you want to make a YouTube videos or anything, you do it too. You just got to motivate yourself. Like I have to motivate myself. And I look at the other girls and guys doing their nails and they putting out these videos like clockwork. And I'm like, wow. And I just wish that I had the same motivation. But I'll try my best to put out videos more often. Alright, so it's time for the polish. I'm using this Beetles Autumn Leaves. It came in an autumn leaves box. It came with 6 gel polishes in the box, and I got it from Amazon. And it's so beautiful. I really love this polish. So right here, I actually didn't know what I was going to do. I thought I was just going to do some solid colors. Usually when I start my nails, I really don't have an idea of what I'm going to do. I just sit down and then I just start doing it. Sometimes I'll look at inspo pics, but then I never actually follow through with the exact picture that I wanted to do. But so I put on the orange first, and then I cured that, and now I'm going over with a wet top coat of the orange that I can blend in with the other maroonish orangey rusty looking color. So I put one layer on and I cured that, and now this layer on, I'm not going to cure that, I'm just going to blend that in, as you can see I'm doing right now. This was so difficult for me. I just kept messing up. With the power of editing and everything, y'all don't have to see all that. Y'all just see me almost doing it easily. But this was harder than it looks. For me anyways. It was really difficult for me because the darker color was taking over more of the orange, and I just had to keep going back and redoing and wiping away and redoing it. It was just so much. And as you can see, my index finger, my pointer finger, I did file that a little bit awkward and bulky and everything, and I should have just went and took that polish off and just scrubbed that and just filed that off, but I just was lazy and I just covered it up. I think that's probably why I went with the croc print was to cover up the weird looking index finger. I'm sorry guys, I was trying so hard to get this French tip right. I'm not really used to French tips. This is probably my second or third time trying to do a French tip, and I didn't have my finger all the way in the camera correctly, so I really do apologize about that. But this part right here, it was like difficult to like that part right there, trying to even that out and get a nice crisp line, like a nice crisp French tip. But at the end of the day, it was fun doing these nails. I really love doing nails. It's so therapeutic. It's so nice to see yourself progress and getting better each time, learning from your mistakes, getting advice from other people, and it's just a really good thing for me. I really love doing my nails. So now I cured that, and then I'm going to go with the top coat. I'm doing my croc print with top coat, so I'm not using blooming gel. I don't have blooming gel. I never used blooming gel before, but I do need to get some blooming gel. So I'm painting over my nails with the top coat, and while it's still wet, I will do the croc print with another color. I actually learned that from Nails by Vic. Thank you. I learned how to do the croc print without blooming gel and just using top coat. So thank you, Vic. And this is my first time doing croc print. This is my first time doing it. I have gotten better at it, but I mean, I still feel proud of myself. You gotta feel proud of yourself. Okay, and with that, guys, I put my cuticle oil on, and these nails are done. I love them. They're nice, they're bright, they're illusion style, they're crocky style. I love the colors, I love beetles, I love polygel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.